Hey guys and gals, Justin with J Hart Model Works, and it's time for another shop card shout out. A couple of days ago, I got this awesome shop card from Shawn at the Scale Model Car Guide channel. Shawn is a really cool guy. He's one of my regular frequent commenters. Always has, great builds on his channel. He has his own channel. Go ahead and I think it's going to be up over this side. Go ahead and check Shawn out. Super awesome stuff. I mean, great builder, really great builder. And he's just a very, very eclectic taste. Like one minute he's doing, road cars, sports cars. Next minute he's doing race cars covered in sponsorship decals, which, as we all know, I don't love decals. They're a struggle for me. He does fantastic work with them. Trucks. He's got a race vehicle from, I think it was like Team Elf's race truck. Just gorgeous, absolutely fantastically clean. Antique cars. I know he's got a Triumph TR2 that is immaculate, and one of the most beautiful builds of the Porsche 356 Speedster I have seen. It is absolutely awesome. Just the way and again, decals that I struggle with. He's got like the cuts on the panel lines inside it's fantastic stuff. Give him a check out if you're not already a subscriber to him. I know a lot of my guys are pretty much know everybody. It's like we're a pretty tight-knit community. But if you're not a subscriber of Shawn's, please give him a subscribe, or at least go give him a check out. Also on the shop card, he mentioned doing a buddy build this fall, which is really awesome. I've never been asked to do a buddy build, and I'm not the type of guy that has a huge stash. I typically buy one, build one. Part of that is I know that I have ADD, and if I allow myself to move from one project to another, what I'll end up doing is all the fun parts that I really like to do, and then not doing all the parts that I don't like to do, and I'll just have 20 kits that never got finished, and a wife going, you're not spending any more money until you finish something here. So it's one of those things. But I'm very stoked about doing a buddy build with Shawn sometime this fall, and that's going to be really cool. We don't know what we're doing yet. We haven't really talked about it, but that's going to be awesome. So, like I said, give Shawn a check out if you haven't. He's a great guy. If you want to send me one of your shop cards, there's an email down in the description below. You can email me there. As always, guys, thanks for watching my videos. Take care, keep modeling, and have a great day.